Hi everyone, come wash my human hair wig with me, straight out of the box. I have only cut the lace, so if you're interested in how I did that, there's a video on my YouTube and on my Instagram. And today I want to wash it to see if the hair quality is like it is now. Now it's so soft, so, as you can see, no frizz, nothing. It's absolutely stunning. So I'll put the water on and just put it underneath the water. What I use for my human hair wigs is the Tresemme shampoo and the Tresemme conditioner. They're my cheapest options, to be perfectly blunt with you. I just don't have the money to buy the really expensive stuff. But I've used this for years and there is no problem that I have encountered. So then I put it on the side of the bath and I do put shampoo on. Just, I think if there's any excess color, I just want to get that out. So you just want to quickly turn it over, make sure that everything else is getting wet, and put the shampoo on there as well. Just put your hand in and just very carefully distribute that shampoo. And what I noticed, which is lovely, and I hope you can see that too, hardly any extra colors coming out. I love to see that. It's not uncommon, and it's not necessarily a bad thing if it does happen. So then I wring it out like that without pulling down. So I go up and then push. So there is no strain on the cap. And then I just put it back on the side of the bath and put shampoo mainly on the ends. Sorry, I put conditioner mainly on the ends. Try to avoid getting conditioner anywhere near the lace front or any hand tight section. It can loosen the knots and then you will have some shedding, which you kind of want to avoid. Let it sit for a few minutes. I let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I'll wash it out. I do the same, push up from the bottom and wring it out, just so I don't put any pressure onto the wig. And there's my towel, so I just pop it on there and I just press on it. No rubbing, not doing anything too rough. Turn it over. Just let it soak in through the towel. And then you can put in some leave-in conditioner if you want to. I normally do that simply because you don't have any natural oils that will help this wig. It's argan oil. It's also a heat defense spray. So I just spray that all over. And then I use a brush. This one is the one that came with the wig. And just brush it carefully through. So all that leave-in conditioner gets evenly distributed. And then I put it on a stand. And let it dry. Now what I also do, because this is the first time I washed it and I haven't styled it, I'm going to pull back the front because it's a bit of a flopper at the moment and I would like the fibers to move back. So I just use a white tooth comb like this so I can get the fibers easily, or the hair, and then I use little clips like this to move them out of the way. I will just let it air dry because I want to see what the quality is like after air drying, because that gives you a much better idea than if you were to blow dry it. So yeah, that can take a little while. So I see you once that is air dried. So this is now air dried. Let me come really close. So no frizz. It's incredibly soft. No tangling. It is like it was out of the box. Smooth, soft. That I've now removed the clips. And you can see the fibers are not falling anymore in the front. So they have changed direction because that's where I wanted them to be. So I will put this on and show you what it looks like, and then I will style it a little bit. So I will put a picture somewhere here what it looked like before. If you have missed my unboxing video, etc., you can find what it looked like straight out of the box. And now it just doesn't fall in my face, which is just great.